gift of Krishna. Prabhupada Saraswati writes in Radharani 155. Oh, this is a great verse. I'll just read the English because I can't pronounce very nicely these days, Sanskrit. O Shri Radhe, Madhupati, Krishna. This is a nice verse. What number is this? I don't know. It's 155, Radharani. It says, Ananta Aparad. Ananta, everyone knows that much Sanskrit. Ananta Aparad. Ananta means unlimited, Aparad means offenses. Krishna will cancel. Cancel means destroy, nullify, nashtoga. Krishna will cancel innumerable, unlimited offenses, anatta, of anyone who even once relishes the taste of Radha's name and great ecstasy. Shri Radha Nam Amrita Rasam. Shri Radha Nam Amrita Rasam relishes the ras, nectar ras of Radharani's name. Tavaikam. Tavaikam Shri Radhe Nam Amrita Rasam. Eka means once, you just once relish the nectar of Radha's name. And Krishna will be so happy and pleased with that. Oh, all aparad's gone. So imagine how pure the Brijvasis are. Some of them. Not all of them. Some of them, they may be pure in heart, but they have some karma, some prabhupada karma that's making them a little not so good in the behavior. But this is the power of Radha's name. That's the idea why we're speaking it, why he's quoting this verse. Das Goswami says, this is a repeat of the verse, O Radharani, I don't want anything else but your excellent service. If I am not qualified for your service, then at least make me attached to the aspiration to be your servant. So then one day I'll get it. Let me truly have a thirst for your seva. That's the last line of the verse. Dasyaya te mama rasostu satyam. So he repeats it twice. Please let me have a taste. Please let me have a taste. Please let me have a taste for your seva. So that's verse 16 concluded. We have some more time. We'll read the verse again just to understand where we are here. It's verse 16 of Vilava Kusuma Manjari in our course, Sri Radha and the Manjaris. It's Tilak, I think it's the same as Brahma Samhita Meter, or whatever that's called. Padavjayas tava vina varadasymeva nanyat kadapi samaye kila devi yache sakyayate mama namastu nityam namastu nityam. He offers repeated obeisance to the eternal service. Nityam dasya te mama rasotsu satyam. Namastu rasotsu. That's nice. Oh Devi Radha, I never praise you for anything else but this excellent service your lotus feet, Varadasya. Excellent means these special, unique, special services like we're talking about, communicating the tracing kunj to Krishna with your feet. You're putting your feet on Krishna's hands. The gopis are going everywhere barefoot. Krishna doesn't wear shoes. The gopis don't wear gold slippers. They're going everywhere barefoot. So they're just Brajaraj or Kunkun or whatever, Alta on the bottom. So they're all the yogis are meditating on, they want the foot dust of Krishna's feet on their head. And they're praying for the foot dust of Krishna on their head. And do lakhs and lakhs of austerities. And Manjari step on Krishna's hands. What is this? This is love. It's like when you're a mother and you have a baby poops on you and does pees on you, does anything. Well, you don't throw the kid on the floor, you throw him on the floor. No, you just you love him even more. So this, because there's a oneness, in love there's a oneness, in true love there's a oneness of body, heart, mind, soul, prana, everything. So the perfect oneness is Radha and Krishna, the one Atma, Dui Deha. So the manjaris are one with the heart of Radharani. So Krishna, Radharani and the manjaris and Krishna, they're all one tattva. Krishna's hands, Radharani's hands, the manjari's hands, Krishna's hands, their feet. There's no problem. Angani yasya sakalan, Brahma's praise and Brahma's smita. Angani yasya sakalendriya vitimanti. His Krishna's indriya is interchangeable. He can eat with his eyes, he can eat with his ears. He offers a prayer to Krishna to eat, and he eats by hearing a prayer. So any one of his senses is interchangeable. I mean, he's all his senses are transcendental, pavitram, pure. So the feet of the manjaris, the hands of Krishna is pure, is transcendental. Because remember, their bodies aren't made of stool. They're not made of flesh and bones and earth and water. Their bodies are made of bhav. So there's no, they're pavitram. There's no contamination. No such thing as dirty feet. Dirty feet, dirty hands. Brajaraj is Chintamani, is worshipable. I offer my constant obeisance to the idea of becoming your friend by really taste, relish, rasas. I really want to taste the bliss of being your maidservant. That's all of our prayers. We want to taste the bliss of being Radha's maidservant. Verse 7.